app has many useful features, one of them being the Diagnostics tool. To access the Diagnostics tool, select Tools and then Diagnostics. This will open the Diagnostics window. The Diagnostics tool is for advanced users or for service, so before using this tool, please ensure you have the relevant training. In the first tab, you have the HT3 motors. This gives you the option to move the needle elevator up, down, into the mixing position. It lets you know which position it's currently at. It also lets you know the status of the mixer. You have the option for the load elevator. You can move it up, down. Again, you can see which position it's in. Currently, it's in the up position for our instrument. Then you have the carousel position, so you can rotate this, home it. The platen, again, you can rotate it to a certain position or you can rotate it to home. These features are useful, for example, when you have a vial in a certain position in the carousel and it's not come back up, for example, so you want to unload it manually rather than doing an automatic unload of the entire carousel. Next tab is HT3 valves. Again, we'll let you know the status of all your valves in your instrument. Also gives you this option to set flow. In the Advanced tab, you have the option to automatically unload the entire platen. So this is really good if you know there's vials within your HT3 or you suspect there are and you want to ensure everything is unloaded before running any more samples. This also gives you some more information about sensors within your HT3. You then have a few more tabs. Packets will give you a little bit more information about your HT3. Same with the firmware tab. For example, if you've named your instrument, that'll be here. The last tab is the benchmark tool. This can be very useful if you need to troubleshoot your HT3. It will also provide a report which you could send to service. The benchmark tool will give you an overview of the entire instrument and how everything's working and will highlight any issues within your instrument. From there, you will be able to identify what is potentially wrong with your instrument and also be able to give more specific details to an engineer. Again, we just want to stress the diagnostics tool is intended for advanced users or to be used by a service engineer, so ensure your training is up to date before you use this.